The other thing that we see happen a lot, Russell, is people take their money and they just try and spread it everywhere, right? So they want to be all things to all people. They want to reach as many people as they can. And that's certainly a goal of advertising. But one of the things we have to figure out is who is it they want to reach? Who is it they want to talk to, right? And it's probably not everybody. You know, the real estate agent probably wants to talk to other, from what you're saying, other real estate agents, right? Or people inside of that network. But if they're trying to talk to me to get to that person, it's the wrong target. So we have to figure out who it is we want to talk to. And this is an area where I see people just drop the ball completely. Well, almost 80% of the time, I want to talk to the woman who's running the house because she's going to make all the decisions or she's going to influence our decisions. Yeah, but I see a lot of men and I should take some money and talk to the man. No, let's just take our money, be very narrow who we want to talk to, right? A 10-year period. Okay, what's the sweet spot? Well, you know, they're 30 to 70. Okay, does that mean a 50-year-old person? I mean, who is the person you see the most of? Right? So...
and to be clear, for those of you out there wondering why it's so important to consolidate your audience, it's budgetary. It's expensive to talk to everybody. If you have an unlimited budget and unlimited production bandwidth, and everybody wants to be the most well-known brand on the face of the earth and have every Super Bowl commercial and be on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, TikTok, and every other platform known to man. And that's great.
Nobody has the budget.
Nobody has the budget. So it's our job as consultants to say, well, what do you got? And who are you trying to talk to? Because every dollar wasted on somebody who isn't them is truly a dollar wasted.